How can you change the focus on an iPhone during a video, right? So there are some things I need to explain. Obviously, if you open up your camera and go to the video mode, you can tap on the individual subjects and it will focus on that, right? So if you have something in the foreground, make sure you click on it so the focus will be adjusted for that. When it's something like in the back, you can adjust it to focus on that thing, right? So that is some basic stuff you can access inside of the built-in camera. However, there is also the cinematic mode, which allows you to capture videos where it's like heavily focused on one subject only, and the background is supposed to be blurry, giving the look of a very nice, like a sort of like professional movie, right? But the point is that when you capture a cinematic video on the iPhone, you can then locate it within the like Photos app, click on Edit, and it actually allows you to change the focus, right? So you can see that you can select the focus to be the background now if you didn't focus the video properly, right? So it's very interesting that way because you can change it even in the post-production. But as I said, it only works for the videos captured with this cinematic mode. It's not for the other pictures or videos, right? And also you have the aperture settings, so you can literally just decide how soft or how blurry the background is behind the subject. So that is another way to get more out of the video that you captured through the cinematic mode. But yeah, let me know if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.